Hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make the contemporary art. So let's get started. So firstly draw this design on your canvas, or you can also trace it. Now take your lemon yellow, flesh tint, white and orange color and mix some shades as shown in the palette. Now do the shadings in the face of the girl. In the cheeks we have to take the lighter shade and rest all parts will be tinge of darker. And now we have to just do shadings and merging in the face as shown. You can make the darker parts of this face, for example the forehead, the nose, the chin and the part near the hairs. Now apply your dark orange or light orange or any shade of orange in the neck and the legs, and now again merge them, and we have to do this shading all over. Now outline the eyes with the black colors, and now take your burnt umber and your sap green color and add water in them and apply in the hair part. Now take your lemon yellow and your teal blue color and start applying it in the swan, and as you go down start merging both the colors. Now take your skin color or your orange color and apply it in the feathers of your or duck or swan. Now apply the yellow color in the middle of the feather of the swan. Now again take your teal blue and your lemon yellow color and start merging these in the swan's body as shown. Or you can also take the ultramarine blue color if you want for merging. Now outline the swan's eyes with the black. Now take your ultramarine or Persian blue color and apply it in the first circle. Then take your teal blue and apply a tinge of blue, dark blue in it, and then apply the teal blue directly. Then add the white in the teal blue, and then apply the white color and add a tinge of teal blue in it. This will create a gradient effect of the blue shades, and you have to apply these in all the circles and make sure that you are leaving the one corners everywhere. And if you're new at my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Now take your foil or crumbled paper and start applying the yellow color, the pink color and the red color, and also take the blue color and apply it in the hair in the corners of the painting. Now just take your black color and add some highlights in the outlines to your painting. Now this is the final look of the painting. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.